Today's 5-minute lesson is Dave Matthews' Satellite. But first, let me start out by saying my guitar's in standard tuning. This song is in the key of A flat major. I would say that it's in a 6/4 time signature. You could say 3/4 or 6/4, but I like to say 6/4 because I feel like I look at the guitar pattern that I just played and it occurs over 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So instead of saying 2 measures of 3/4, I'd say it's 1 measure of 6. That's just my preference. And with that said, I would advise you to first learn the A flat major scale starting from the 2nd finger, since all the notes in Satellite occur in that position, the A flat, within the notes of the A flat major scale. So you would play, that's 1 octave, then 2 octaves would be continue on. So you notice my 2nd finger is only playing notes on the 4th fret. 1st finger is playing only the notes on the 3rd fret. 3rd finger, 5th fret. 4th finger, 6th fret. The line is slowly. And my right hand picking pattern is actually going down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So 2 back-to-back downstrokes in the beginning and 2 back-to-back upstrokes at the end. I'm also palm muting this, which is what he does in the beginning of the song, the recording, by placing my palm against the strings so it shortens the length that the note rings out for. It stifles it. So it takes some getting used to, but once you get it, it's really it's a really useful technique to use when playing really fast lines, like, so they don't all ring out together. And also, one thing you can do to continue that style of playing into the chorus section of the song is you can outline all the chords in that chorus. We have A flat major, D flat major, B flat minor, and E flat major, or we could say dominant 7 since it's the 5th chord of A flat. And when I say outline, I mean we're going to play the chord tones. In this case, the chord tones of an A flat major would be A flat, the root, C, the major 3rd, E flat, the perfect 5th, G, the major 7, back to E flat, and then we end with F, which is the 6th degree of the scale. We do that just to complete the pattern in 3/4. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to move on to the chord tones of a D flat major, which would be root, major 3rd, 5th, major 7, 5th, and with the 6th. Now when we play over the B flat minor or B flat minor 7, we would have root with my 1st finger, flat 3, minor 3 with my 4th finger, 5th, flat 7, 5th, 6, and then we complete the E flat dominant chord by playing root, major 3rd, 5th, flat 7, 5th, 6th. When you put them all together, it sounds like this. It's a nice way of outlining the chords without actually playing them, and it's consistent with what the original part was. If you palm mute it, you get this kind of effect. Anyway, if you got something out of this, please like this video, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also contact me at the website below if you're interested in taking online guitar lessons. Wishing you all the best with your guitar studies. See you next time.